clear up a little misconception about evergreen versus deciduous plants. I think we hear those words, and evergreen indicates that maybe it never loses its leaves, and that's actually not correct. I'm standing here next to a little gem magnolia and an Oakland holly. Both of these are considered evergreens, and they both lose their leaves. Essentially what evergreen means is that it is always green. It always has a leaf on it. That's not to say it doesn't lose its leaves. So if you imagine a live oak tree, if you have a live oak tree at your house, you know that it always has leaves on it, but it drops leaves twice a year. That's because the new leaves are pushing out the old leaves. The old leaves fall and it immediately has new ones right behind it. And so it never appears to have lost all of its leaves. So I just want to clear up that misconception. If you've ever wondered what the difference between an evergreen and a deciduous plant is, it's not that it loses all of its leaves one time a year, it's just that it never goes without a set of leaves. So hopefully that cleared up that misconception for y'all today.